Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Smartsheet for spreadsheet projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.smartsheet.com and press enter. Once the Smartsheet homepage loads, locate and click on the Try Smartsheet for Free button. You will be redirected to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Repeat the password in the confirmation field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then, click on the Get Started button. You may receive a verification email at the address you provided. Check your inbox for the email and click on the verification link. After verifying your email, return to the Smartsheet website. You will now be prompted to complete your profile. Enter your name and any other required details. Once your profile is set up, familiarize yourself with the Smartsheet dashboard. Take a moment to explore the various features available. To start a new project, click on the Create button. Choose blank sheet or select a template that suits your project needs. Begin adding your data and customizing your spreadsheet as needed. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any information. Congratulations, you're now registered and ready to manage your spreadsheet projects with Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.